and gentlemen. If you guys want to Hanoho, make some noise. Let's give them a loud cheer. Let's give them a loud yeehaw. Family and friends, one more time, make some noise for Ei Nei. Hanoho, Hanoho. Hanoho, same song.
We're going to try one just because we see a special man out there who hope this song come to life.
Thank you.
So, to be honest, I'm a little nervous. It's not like we play this all the time, but...
it's okay, because nobody else knows it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
This is an original song from our newly released album. Yeah, that's the theme.
A song written by Ekolu and Dane. Music by Ekolu and Dane. Ideas. Mostly by Dane, but also by Ekolu too.
No, ideas by Sean P. Nicole.
I tell you, okay, yeah. So we have a little backstory about this little track. You know, one of the beautiful things. This is gonna be our first time playing this song with the potential of it being recorded like live. Okay?
Wait, but the thing is, it can only get better from here. And you guys may never hear this song again, or you might. I don't know. And next time it'll be better than this. So don't worry.
But you know, we wanted to do something fun, and there was a moment in time in which we had this idea, and you know, one of the things that from our first album, what we were told was, you know, people just record music just to record music, but well, we're grateful that we just got further than that, and so this little number, this little doozy. Was built with this kind of visual of grandeur, and shout out to Sean over there, because he was one of those people who were like, we can make it grander. Here comes the grandeur. So
here comes the smoke machines, the laser beams,
here comes all of that. And so fireworks. We're gonna try our best. Here we go. It goes like this.
Hawaiʻi Forever. Don't forget to please get their brand new album, Ei Nei, Look at Us. Did you guys get it? Ei Nei, Look at Us. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, make some noise for Ei Nei and all of our wonderful Yes. And I'm excited because speaking about superstars in the house, Lehua Kalima is here, Sharpie Mintel, Kavika Kahiapo, part of the group Kula Evie. They're also a multi Nā Hōkū Hanohano Award stars and legends. You guys all know Lehua.